Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss one more extraction, that is extraction of zinc from zinc blend. Extraction of zinc from zinc blend. In this video I am going to discuss the extraction of zinc from zinc blend. Zn, zinc blend, the composition of zinc blend is ZnS. Zinc blend is the ore it is, and the composition of ore is ZnS. Then how to extract the zinc from zinc blend? And as we know, in the extraction there are 4 steps are there. Step number 1, concentration of ore, conversion of ores into oxides, then reduction of oxides into crude metal, then refining method. And here the first step is concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. And you know what is concentration of ore definition? And here the ore is ZnS, and ZnS means it is a sulfide ore. And you know, if sulfide ore is there, we have to follow one method, physical method, that is Froth flotation process. Froth flotation process is meant for it is sulfide ore. Therefore, the here ore is concentrated by Froth flotation process. Froth flotation process. So this is first step. Then step number 2. So according to general step, conversion of ores into oxide. Here I use roasting step because it is a sulfide ore. So roasting is generally done for sulfide ore. So step number 2 is roasting. So during roasting, what happens here? The zinc sulfide is converted to zinc oxide, that is metal oxide. During roasting, the zinc sulfide, the ZnS zinc blend, is converted to zinc oxide, and this is called as the step number 2, that is roasting. Step number 3. Step number 3 is smelting. Step number 3 is smelting. And you know what is smelting? During smelting, the roasted ore, this is called as a roasted ore now. Roasted ore. During smelting, the roasted ore is mixed with coke. Roasted ore is mixed with coke to form a zinc vapors. So I'll write here ZnO. It is mixed with coke. Coke is nothing but a carbon at about 1673 Kelvin temperature. The zinc oxide, that is metal oxide, undergo reduction to form zinc vapors and carbon monoxide gas. During smelting, the zinc oxide, that is roasted ore, is mixed with the coke, that is carbon, to form zinc vapors. And these zinc vapors are solidified. These zinc vapors are solidified by passing through air condenser. These zinc vapors are solidified by passing through air condenser to get a crude solid zinc. To get crude solid zinc, and this crude solid zinc is called as zinc spelter. It's called as zinc spelter. These zinc vapors are solidified by passing through air condenser to get crude solid zinc. That is impure solid zinc. That impure solid zinc is called as a zinc spelter. So in third step you are getting impure zinc. Then that impure zinc is purified. That is step number 4. That is refining. That is refining. So here the impure zinc is refined. There are different methods are there. The impure zinc is refined by a distillation method. That is distillation method. Because zinc is a low boiling point metal. So this is what the extraction of zinc from zinc blende. First step, second step, third step, and this is the fourth step. And in examination they have asked question, name the reducing agent. So here the reducing agent is the coke. So coke is used as a reducing agent, that is carbon. And one more question, that is what is zinc spelter, they have asked. So zinc spelter means it's a crude solid zinc is called as a zinc spelter. That means it is a impure solid zinc is called as crude, that is zinc spelter. I hope it is clear. Thank you.